I am someone who is very weak. Senang jangkit penyakit, especially flu. See, if you are the heavy flu, you sit beside me, I know for sure that very night I will have, or paling lama pun stretch until tomorrow morning. Now, after taking Shiruto, I realise I dah tak heran lagi tau. I hardly fall sick. And then one good example, I dah tak fall sick for very long. Yang first day of Chinese New Year, dah rasa lain macam. So I took Shiruto. I hentam sekali 3 pagi, then 2 malam. So 5 sachet. And the next day, I feel good. And then recently, my whole family, especially my daughter and my son-in-law, had a very bad flu. And then the 3 of us sit on the couch watching TV. Then my daughter said, sorry, it's okay. You all sakit lah. InsyaAllah, I won't sakit. But true enough. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Ini betul, because let's say if I recovered from flu, after that just less than a week, somebody else ada flu, sit beside me, I can get another round of flu. That shows how bad I was during that time. But now Alhamdulillah, and I can vouch lah on Shiruto. I really, sebab itu nowadays at home they call me the Shiruto lady. Pasal orang lain macam, okay makan Shiruto.